Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My channel name is Auto Insurance Master. Today we are addressing a topic that can have a significant impact on people's lives. Car accident lawyers in the USA. If you ever wondered what car accident lawyers do, how they can help you, and what step to take of after car accident, you are in the right place. So let's dive into this essential discussion. Understanding car accident lawyers, your legal advocates. They rule car accident lawyer. First, let's clarity the role of car accident lawyer. These legal professionals specialize in assisting individuals who have injured in car accident due to the negligence or wrongdoing of others. Their primary goal is to ensure that accident victims receive the compensation they deserve. Image car accident lawyers at work. They are educated in navigating the legal complexities. Why you need a car accident lawyer? Why do you need? Why do you need a car accident lawyer? Can after an accident you might be dealing with medical bills, insurance companies, and legal issues. A lawyer can help you understand your rights with insurance companies. If necessary, file lawsuit on your behalf. Visual representations of the complexities after an accident. They are shared in the legal battlefield. Compensation and contingency fees. Car accident lawyers work to secure compensation for accident victim, which and cover medical expense, loss, wakes, pain, suffering, and more. The best part, many car accident lawyers work on content contingency fees base, meaning you only pay them they win your case. Graphic graphics explaining competency and contingency fees. They motivate win because success is their success. Finding the right car accident lawyer. How do you find right car accident lawyer? Accident lawyer for case look experience, reputations, and track record success. Consultations are often free, so don't hesitate to reach out multiple lawyers to find one more most comfortable with. In a car, we are to help. All drivers have duty to drive safely and look out the vehicle, but too many motors multitasks wheel driving and Los Angeles surrounding areas drivers are now to ignore the state and held wireless device ban texting cell phone. Unfortunately, such a careless act of distract driving are leading case of car accident, death case, injured and wrongful death. If you loved ones recently injured in car accident, seek experience legal help immediately and law office. What to do after an accident? It can extremely scary and overwhelming to be a car accident. This is a why is an important be informed before you are an accident and know what steps to take after accident. Recommend that you call lawyer, take a photo. Now that most people have cell phone that take a picture, it's easier than every to document scenes of the accident where the cars ended up damage to your vehicles and important aspect of the scene. If you are injured, take photo can can have some else do it for the most important thing ensuring you get the medical attentions that you need. Gather other information while the police will be top down informations and intervening witness. It's is in the best interest interest for you do so as well. That why information will be in the position and you will not have to really seek medical attention. Call lawyer. Comprehensive investigation of your accident, auto accident, serious injury, and much more topics can you read. Broken bones, different topics. Finding the right car. How do you find right car accident lawyer? Your case. Look for experience, reputations, and a track record of success. Consultations are often free. Don't hesitate. Reach out multiple lawyers to find the one most comfortable with. Schedule schedule a fees initial consultations. Thanks for watching. Take care. Please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.